Probate. That one word can cause huge anxiety in people. If you have recently had a loved one pass away and you're finding yourself in probate overwhelm, you are not alone. So I wanted to pass along this infographic that honestly, it's helped numerous people in the same boat as you. I trust that you'll find it helpful as well. It talks about the big rocks or the steps that you need to take in the probate process. How do you eat an elephant? Say it with me, one bite at a time. We've helped many of our clients by walking with them during this difficult time. You need someone that you trust and that will partner with you. So whether you need the value of their home on the day of death or need resources of vendors or other professionals that can help them in other ways, give us a call. We're here to help. I'm Kathy Wood with the Moving Forward Real Estate Team.